Totals keep on adding up.
They do. It's halfway through the month now. This is the 15th. We've already had our May average plus some.
That's great.
That is good news, especially considering how it looked in early May. Remember, we didn't see our first rain showing up there in the computer models, and now we've had several systems in a row. This is the radar loop since the 10 o'clock hour this morning, and you can clearly see the spin in that storm system and how that has moved now down toward the coast, and that'll take the best rain with it, and they'll head on off the coast, and we'll be done with it for the night. I want to show you what the Doppler radar estimated here in terms of rainfall totals. Let's take a look at that real quick. And notice the blue colors, the blue shades, especially the dark ones. Not that much. Half inch from about Lakeway all the way up to our northwest suburbs, including Cedar Park and Leander. But then you got up a little closer to Liberty Hill there, and we saw some isolated 3-inch totals indicated by the radar. And a big chunk of Fayette County down here, we think, had 3 inches of rainfall. We have some rain gauge verification in several locations, but it looks like a large area had maybe 3 to 4 inches of rain across Fayette County. I can tell you one place that's going to be slipping back out of that drought when the weekly update comes up this week, that's for sure. Let's talk official rainfall in Austin, then we'll look at some more totals. 1.2 at Camp Mabry, the storm total. That includes last night's rain and today's rain. And at the airport, also 1.2 inches. Our May total now 5.45 inches. That is better than an inch ahead of our entire May average. Also, the airport well above average, 5.29. We've had more rainfall in 2012 so far than we had in all of 2011. Around the area, rainfall totals included 3.09 down in LaGrange, 1.5 plus at Lockhart. Had some 2-inch totals reported around Lockhart. 2.4 in San Marcos, a lot of 2-inch totals reported scattered about Hays County. Just an inch up in Georgetown. The largest amount I saw in Austin was 2.18 in North Austin, 1.17 in Llano, Fredericksburg at 0.96, but again, north of Stonewall, there was 4 inches, inch and a half in Johnson City, 0.92 in Burnett, and again, that Llano total a little over an inch. And the temperatures today have been wonderful. Rain cooled, low 70s for high temperatures this afternoon. In Austin right now, we're at our high temperature at 72. Is that not super? A little bit of blue sky peeking through the clouds out there. A little warmer out in the hill country. You've had sunshine a little bit longer than we have here in Austin and off to the east today, where it's still in the 60s. 68 degrees over in Bastrop County right now. 72 in Austin and 69 degrees out at the airport. No wind blowing at all. Sunset tonight, 8:18. I didn't get the pollen count in here because we've been a little busy today with these rainfall totals, but the mold doubled from yesterday. It was just over 5,000 today. That's all that was in the pollen count. 84 in Dallas, 73 Houston, 74 down in San Antonio. There's your upper level low. Look at it. Headed right down to the southeast. It was even more impressive than we had even hoped for. And it'll continue to move away. We'll see drier weather move in. In fact, we have a very dull 7-day forecast coming up for you here in a minute. Lows tonight, there'll be some 50s, I think, in the morning. And then highs tomorrow, these are maybe a little cool. I think we're all back to 80 degrees or just above. Look for some fog to form tonight in the cooler air with the moist ground. A little fog in the morning. Then the sun comes out, and we're going for a high of about 83 in Austin tomorrow afternoon. And here it is, that 7-day forecast that looks just a whole lot drier for the next week and progressively warmer. Back close to 90 degrees, it looks like, by early next week, Robert.
Thank you, Jim. Let's